make me feel somebody good. Them say the sky gonna rain. Can we kill all the cartel so-called friend? Them all left him rich and lonely.
Hey! And me kill off all the cartel friend them and left him rich and lonely. Brother, I'll cartel you take shots at them. Why you gotta do all of that in this song, bro? Check. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. Another car reaction. Now I'm there in my wife's car and I do that reaction because I did come look on her car to come deal with something, come fix something on it. So I go up on the YouTube. I go up on the YouTube and guess what I see? I have a cold, so I try to get that from my chest. But guess what I see? Khago drop a song, bro. And the song called Child Care. And guess who is aiming at? The man aim off at Deva Bratt. Bro, Deva Bratt drop a song this morning. And Khago come back right around, come drop one panic dog. Yo, Khago. Bro, I need to review and react to all of the previous songs that I drop before them two songs. But Khago drop a song, bro, and the song name Child Care. And you know what we're going to do already. We're going to react to it and review it and hear all of what Khago are saying on that song. Now, I'm not listen to the song yet, so let's both react to it and listen to what Khago have to say. You know it go, a mad thing. Vibes and Insight with Nando, you know? Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And always stay tuned for the latest and the greatest. Mad, let's go. Khago, Child Care.
Yeah. Rotten head. What you wanted. Khago.
Wait. And this is what I like, bro. I like it when dancehall artists, them have vice pan the same rhythm. The tempo balance pan a level where the tune can play back to back in our party. I like that, bro. Same rhythm clash. I love that shit, bro. I like that. Let's rewind it and come back again. Khago.
Yeah. Rotten head. What you wanted. Khago. Tell him. Wow. Make it Deva. Make it Deva.
What? Man say them say you too on if you put more, dog. Khago I take jobs at Deva Bratt, dog, but the dog deal with Deva Bratt like a baby because the man not even a club himself on the rhythm. John no Khago just a tease the vibe on the rhythm while him a going there. Like what you say? What?
I know me make you can't pass in the garden. Big up all of me shut them a give a garden. Them say Deva too and if you child care. Zebra 2.0 me no fight fear. And it why you feel it up from around here.
Hey, pull up. Bumbuckler, them say and if you child care, Bumbuckler, the rape thing. Again, the rape thing and stay in Deva Bratt. Name. Khago. You can't get a part there, break down Deva Bratt, you can't get away from something like that. All one time Deva Bratt not find guilty of it, it take on him name, it shall never be off. It shall never come off him name. Them say it too, and if a child care, oh God.
Rotten head.
Oh my word.
Khago. Tell him. Wow. Make it Deva.
I like the flow. I like how him balance in vocals pan the tempo. Khago known for vocals, but the way him balance in vocals pan the up tempo beat, I like it, bro. I love it. Mad.
I know me make you can't pass in the garden. Big up all of me shut them a give a garden.
Mad.
Them say Deva too and if you child care. Zebra 2.0 me no fight fear. And it why you feel it up from around here. One time, two time you make the bikini tear. And it boy where you get off light. Why you can touch it baby tight. How why you say you love pussy we tight. Make you no.
Oh my God, the man a tarnish Deva Bratt name, you fuck. The man I say you too horny for the tight dog. John no Deva Bratt. Oh my God, Khago, go easy on the man dog. With that thing that yo, this come like you wanna know what this is like, bro? This come like Kendrick Lamar and Drake, dog. When Kendrick Lamar tarnished Drake name with the pedophile thing, bro, Khago, yo, you have to be, yo, that's sensitive in the dog. You have to make Deva Bratt get rowdy in the dog. And Deva Bratt go answer him wicked again. That song I may not too aggressive, but the shots them potent, dog. The shots them are hit, bro. Brother, yo, I never even want to talk about it. Them lines, dog. Them lines, bro.
Come on, girl, we bite.
Now, this is what you call the art of war, bro. You see, art of war, you can use certain things against your opponent where it'll go lick him chip. And Khago I do just that with the lines they were using in that song. As me say, in the up tempo, the vocals them not up on the tempo, but it clinical. You know the word clinical, bro. It clinical.
Fuck on yourself, me head no screw on. Me have a daughter just born.
Bumbo clad, don't fuck around, me say. Me head no screw on. Me have a daughter just born. Bars, Khago. Yo, me head no screw on. Me like that. They have a rat get up and forward back again, dog.
Somebody fi bomb, and I hungry me hungry. Make me fi feel.
Yeah.
Somebody fi get them say the sky down.
Bro, I love it how the man I ride the rhythm, dog. Somebody fi bomb, and pitney fi feed. Somebody fi dead, rotten neck golda. Yo. That bad, dog, that bad. The way of the dog I flow. Now for me, bro, I love melody and I like flow. You see when an artist a flow up on a beat, dog. The waves just a flow like a tide. I love that, bro. That's crazy, dog.
Can me kill all the cartel, so-called friend them and left him rich and lonely.
Bumbo clat all cartel name reach right again. The man say him kill all the cartel friend them. Fuck you said to me, yo, Khago, you getting yourself in mad trouble, fam. Pull apart there again, dog. Hey! And me kill off all the cartel friend them. And left him rich and lonely. Brother, I'll cartel you take shots at them. Why you gotta do all of that in this song, bro? We want you at Deva Bratt, bro. But you deal with cartel to brother. I say you wicked, dog. You know.
You just spend one day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy back fly eyes. You should empty the shoes in a Deva Bratt. If you beat rape a boy and don't kill them.
Man say, oh, if you beat rape a boy and don't kill him. So he must say Sean Storm. A Sean Storm, he must take that off. The man say, oh, if you beat rape a boy and don't kill him. Man, I take shots off a Sean Storm. I say, yo, Sean Storm no beat Deva Bratt, dog. He only beat him and not kill him. What the hell, brother? Yo, Khago, you go hard, dog.
I spent 13 years less of my army. You just spend one day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy back fly eyes. You should empty the shoe.
Man say Sean Storm would have only spent one day in a horizon. If him did kill the raper boy, blood clean. I have a cold, so I try to get rid of that cold, but bro, man, yo, Khago.
In a Deva Bratt face pan port, more black colliding. No fuck on yourself, me head no screw on. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb, and I hungry me hungry. Lead me fi feed, somebody fi Let me try now go. Me have a Glock where sing sweet like Shylando. Kindergarten go off anywhere you go. And you bring up me case you started now. When you send me back gun, but you back body. And a 3-year old and I say she love it.
Yo, bro, Khago take the pedophile line serious for Deva Bratt, dog. Khago deal with Deva Bratt name way with that line. If it for me, bro, I would like him. I would have jump out of war already. I would have call it quits out of war if my name at all is so. But Khago deal with Deva Bratt name way with this, dog. Yo, Khago a deal with Deva Bratt name way with that line there.
Me attack Jamaica down to the street boy panic as a brain must go study. No fuck on yourself.
Yeah.
Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I'm hungry, me hungry. Lead me fi feed. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky.
One thing me know, dog, the rhythm and the song, them song are half a play in a party, dog. And if the artists them keep it going and keep it lyrical, dog, it half a play in a party, cause them song are party worthy, brother. Them party worthy. I'm love it, dog. You know.
Them say me too brave, them say me stink like onion. Convert all Gaza to Khago.
Man say transfer all Gaza to Khago. So Gaza man them dep on Khago side. How the blood clean the ass to me, man? How the man say? Them say me brave. Them say me stink like onion. Rascal.
That not got no street red for solar. Him and foot hype a fucking see man. Say nah review me bad song, them fuck him. I must see true scatter living.
One more clean. Man say fuck foot hype. Him say him nah review my song. Man say fuck him. I must see true scatter left him. And with the blood clean they said to me. Khago, you don't behave yourself, I know, dog. Khago, you don't behave yourself. The man them are going to pull up on your foot, you know. Because you take some shots off of man them. Where the man them don't like. Because me don't like them neither. Because, bro, them are going to wicked and hard, dog. Khago, come on, brother. In the morning, dog. What time now? Level 23. In the morning, I review this, dog. And the song, gone.
And take plain brown in front him. Matica sing sweet, don't see the banging. No fuck on.
The man says, scatter take us, put a brown in front of him. The Matica sing sweet, like sunning. What you say? Yo. Yo.
Scatter living. And take plain brown in front him. Matica sing sweet, don't see the banging.
Matica sing sweet, don't see the banging. Bumbleclad.
Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I'm hungry, me hungry. Lead me fi feed. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky ball and lead.
Yo, me need a rhythm, yeah. Me need a rhythm, yeah. For Vada Vice, man, because Vada Vice sound good for all the rhythm, yeah. You see how Khago a flow and the melody a control on the beat. Vada that take on the beat, yeah. Yo, me need somebody to wake up Vada, dog. For Vada rub out something, dog. Because Vada sound, me I hear Vada upon the rhythm, yeah, dog. Me I hear Vada upon the rhythm, yeah, dog. Because the rhythm is hard, dog. I love the rhythm, yeah. Yo, shit, Khago, one up there again for that one, dog, and keep the clash going with you and Deva Bratt. Nice up dancehall. I love that. You know, vibes and insight, you know, with another one, you know, another reaction, another banging one. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Make me know what you think about that song where Khago sing for Deva Bratt, because me I feel it, dog, the song, but make me know what you think, you know, a mad thing. I'm out. Peace.